This video is brought to you by Innova Electronics.
What's going on, guys? My name is Aaron and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is my 2001 NB2 Miata. I have a new lip that I painted OEM black and clear coated. I have also repainted this entire panel here. I failed to change the motor mounts out because even my impact drill can't break loose the bolts that connect the mounts to the bottom of the engine bay. I cannot break those bolts loose. I tried it by hand after my impact wouldn't do it. I tried shortening the extensions all the way down to just 6 inches. I couldn't get closer than that. It's just been sitting on stands for the last 3 weeks almost. Because I'm gonna take it to somebody and I needed a little bit of money. I needed an overlap in a paycheck so I could go pay somebody to do it for me. And it'll be worth every penny. It's one of those things, it's like, what's your time worth to you? And 100%, this is worth just paying somebody. However, it's time to maintain the Golf, and so I have my oil change kit. I've got the filter, and I don't care what you say or who you are, I have been running this stuff, Castrol Edge, high mileage, performance Euro car oil. I dumped the entire 5 quarts in there, brand new filter, bing bada boom, and I have had no issues at all. You can find it literally everywhere, and it usually comes with a deal on a little filter. So we're gonna be doing that. So we gotta swap out the paperweight here for the Golf. There's a nice fresh spot in the very back of the apartment complex that I'm going to put this in, because if I can't drive it, I might as well have it parked somewhere shady, right? After the long-winded introduction to my channel, hopefully you stuck around this far. It's gonna be a good one. I'm gonna throw some laundry in real quick, and then we're gonna switch the cars out.
A few minutes later.
Well, that's not an ideal position. We'll put you there for just a minute. All right. Let's see if she'll start. It hasn't had any battery issues. Oh, it's got enough juice to do that. Let's see. Give a little gas. I also haven't gotten to try out the new shift knob that my buddy sent me because the car hasn't been driving. Well, damn. We're just going real slow. Oh, that dumpster's new. Yeah, I'm just staying in first gear. The spot's just right up here, but so far it hasn't slipped or anything, but I also haven't tried shifting it, so who really knows. But yeah, it's a nice little shady area back over here. I'm gonna park next to that Cherokee up there, though. Probably like right here. Nice little spot there. I parked the Golf there the other night, and my wife was like, why don't you just put the Golf in the garage? You're driving it every day. At least you'll have a spot. And I'm like, I mean, you're right. You're definitely not wrong. I'm going to get it as close to that curb as I can. I'll back it all the way in. As far as I can. Let me see. How far do we got? Oh, we got a ways. Dude, this thing is tiny. I'm still not used to it. Oh, maybe I am on the median. The median is like, I guess, really far away from the fence. Okay, well, I am all the way in then. It's, I'm gonna sit in this air conditioning for a minute, and I'm just gonna let it run for a bit, let the alternator do its thing. It actually sounds pretty good, especially when it's backed up against a fence. Alright, it's about time we, I like how the motor mounts are being, like, the least shaky they've ever been, because I'm not driving the car. As soon as I drive it, they're really just flying. Lock that, that's locked. Don't have anything in there. Oh, need garage opener for the other car now. Oh, there's a towel. I'll put the towel on the passenger seat because if it rains, the passenger window leaks real bad. So I'm gonna put that over there real quick. Just because your car threw a fault code does not necessarily mean that the part is totally bad. Maybe you just hit a bump in the road too hard. Maybe it really is bad. If only you could diagnose it in a few seconds and pull up on your phone right in front of you the part that you need to change out and why it's going bad. Innova Electronics has been making diagnostic tools for your vehicle for the last 30 years right here in the good old US of A. They have ASE certified support teams which can help you 6 days a week, live, email, or over the phone. With the CarScan Pro OBD2 scanner, not only can you clear and read that pesky little check engine light, but you can do stuff like resetting your battery, you can do network scans, you can do live reads, check your engine oil quality and level, and you can do it from the connectivity of your Bluetooth on your phone. Now, let's plug it in and see what this little number can do. All right, and literally within seconds, we have the home menu pulled up. So let's select English, standard, and let's turn on this ignition. And we currently have no powertrain faults, which is really good to know. Success, your scan tool has been paired successfully. Predicted repairs, let's see what that is. 3 items in the next year. Let's see. 13% probability. Replace turbocharger assembly. Interesting. I really hope I don't have to do that. Replace positive crankcase ventilation or PCV hose. That's not too bad. 158, you could definitely find cheaper there. Change your brake fluid. It gives you the parts. Let's see. Let's do parts details. Oh, it even takes you to AutoZone. Allow while using. This is pretty sweet. It takes you right to the page to buy your parts. This is awesome. And it takes you to a nearby store. That's really awesome. I know without a shadow of a doubt I have been ripped off before by a mechanic who replaced a part that was probably not bad but just happened to throw a code. With my very own scanner tool, I can pull up the code myself, research parts, I can reset the part and see if it comes up again with another fault, and then if it does, I can go from there. Thank you so much to Innova Electronics for sponsoring today's video. Deep cleaned, like not just the wrap but the inside. The inside is like covered in dust. Alrighty, so I have a list of things that I want to get done today, and we'll just start at the easiest. I want to top off the washer fluid. I have this old front mount assembly, I guess, from my very first car, my BRZ, and I'm gonna see if I can rig up something to be able to front mount my plate somewhere on this grill here. I have my APR carbon fiber intake box and the APR cotton filter. I've been holding on to this because I haven't had any filter oil. The main thing today, we got our oil change stuff. Yeah, we got a list of things to do today. I've been putting a lot of stuff off, so let's get to it. Alrighty guys, that is it for my day. I am going to call it. I am insanely sweaty, and I am very tired now. So yeah, we're gonna call it. We did a whole lot of maintenance on there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe. It means a lot. Any one of those things helps the YouTube algorithm find my channel, so please, it just takes a second. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Drink water and be safe.